how to do product research for Shopify dropshipping step by step. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm giving you a tutorial on how to do product research for your Shopify dropshipping so that you can find the best trending products out there and sell them and make money. So let's get into it. If you have a Shopify store and you struggle with finding the right products and you're always, doing a product research, you're doing keyword research, and you are struggling with different platforms as well, you're looking for free platforms, then this video is for you. I'll tell you everything you need to know, and even as a beginner you'll learn how to do the product research. So the first method to do your product research in 2023 is using the TikTok ads method. So for that, what you're going to do is you're going to actually go to your web browser, and all you have to do is you're just going to search for top TikTok ads and click on the first link, and it will take you right here to ads.tiktok.com. And this is where we are. This is our inspiration dashboard. Here I can find the trending ads on TikTok. Why we prefer TikTok? Because TikTok is one of the most active platforms nowadays, and everybody is using TikTok all the time, and you can create short video ads very easily using the TikTok app. So first, if you want to do a local research, so you can go to the region as well and select a region from here. Then you can select an industry. In industry, you can select any kind of industry you are in, objectives, likes, duration, even, and last 7 days. You can even select your time period. So once you do that, then it'll show you the top ads on TikTok that are gaining more traffic and that have high converting rates. So you can see these are all of the different ads, and you can check them out from here, and you'll learn that what kind of products are actually trending on TikTok. Because on TikTok people are scrolling all the time, and once they scroll, you might have seen a lot of videos saying TikTok made me buy this, and a lot of people buy stuff that they see on TikTok. So we need to target that audience, and for that we can search from TikTok ads, and you can just do this search here, and it'll show you the top videos. And even we have this top product category that shows us the top products on TikTok. For instance, here we have our results. In products, we have perfumes, we have serums and essence, t-shirts, casual dresses, cases, and screen protectors. So you can not only see the category, the product, you can also check their popularity. Like we have 2K, 1K, popularity change, 2%, okay, 7%. You can check the CTR. Here you can select your region. So I'm gonna go with all regions and see the top products all around the world. So here we have perfumes, okay. Beauty and personal care are the products that are actually top products on TikTok. So now I know that perfumes, serums, moisturizers, shampoos and conditioners, anything related to beauty and personal care does pretty well on TikTok. And these products are actually trending nowadays. They have like popularity of 14K, 11K. And then if we check the CTR here, CBR, CPA, this is the CPA. Okay, $7, $16, $12. This is actually pretty good. And we can even check the other details. So you can see these are the top products on TikTok, and this will help you with the drop shipping that you're going to do on Shopify. The next way is using the Facebook ad library. You can search all of the ads currently running across Meta technologies such as Facebook and Instagram to find an ad, search for keywords or advertisers. So this ad library shows you the different products and different ads that are trending. Again, we're using a social media, Instagram and Facebook, again one of the most famous social media platforms out there, to do our product research. So this is going to be quite similar to what I showed you on TikTok. Again, we'll check the different posts, reels, the results, the products that are doing good, and then of course we'll use this data to find the right products for our Shopify store, and we'll do the drop shipping. Third method is going to be using a paid ad spy. Now, for this one, what happens is we actually go to a platform which is an ad spy, and that shows us the different ads from different platforms. This also involves, again, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest. What these ad spy do is they find these results from all over the internet and give you the best results. So for this, you actually have to go to any of the platforms. I have actually chosen this one, which is very simple, adspy.com. So this is a powerful software that keeps top advertisers innovating and holds social media organizations to account their content. So here what happens is you'll be able to do, it has a large database for you, from Facebook, Instagram ads, and others, and you'll be able to find the right products. Here you can even do the keyword research. You'll be able to collect from a massive data that is available. There is enhanced basic search available, search through the comments, even rapid interference and big data. So this is actually like having a spy, an ad spy. So here you won't have to go to different platforms yourself. You'll just sign up to this one platform, and then it will do the work for you. It will even, get the data from the comments, from the likes, the interactions, everything. And you will get your results, and you'll know the right products and the trending products on all of these platforms. And these are the products that are right for your dropshipping business. We have another method, which is going to be AliExpress search. So this one is purely a manual search method that you can do to find the right products. Now, whenever we're doing dropshipping on Shopify, we're using either Amazon, most of the time AliExpress, and other platforms. So here what you need to do is you can do your product research really easily. We can find the trending products on AliExpress too, and there are different things that we need to keep in mind if we want to actually run a successful business. For instance, with AliExpress products, we get a lot of details. We can even contact our suppliers. So, what happens is I can check out a product. Let's say this is the product that I saw, even from my other results, even from TikTok or Facebook, I got to know that this product is trending. Now I am on AliExpress. I'll be able to do more research, and you need to do this research if you are actually using AliExpress, because on AliExpress sometimes we have this disadvantage of delay shipping. Sometimes the shipping takes a lot of time because the products are shipped from China. So if you're doing EU or US based drop shipping, then it will be a little difficult for you. So what will happen is that it may take like a month or 2 months for a product to arrive, so that is going to be a little bad for your business. So you need to choose a product that has less shipping time, or even use a third-party tool such as a Burler or something to actually find the US and EU based products, and then you can ship them. So on AliExpress, again, we have a search bar available here, and you can search for any of the products, and the products that align on the first pages are the trending products. You can even go for the popular products. There are different filters available on AliExpress that show you the best results and the different suppliers that actually do well in business. If you keep in mind all of these different aspects and use all of these platforms, these are all organic results. These platforms will show you the right organic interactions. People use these platforms, they have millions of users. Facebook ads, TikTok ads, Instagram ads, AliExpress search, and then even using a third party tool will help you find the right products and do the right research for your dropshipping business, and you'll be able to run a successful business on Shopify. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.